Welcome to Destination Jamaica. We decided to do a quick food video for those who aren't familiar with these produce. In the community, we realized that we have some international subscribers, so we're just going to take you through some of the stuff that we have here. And for Jamaicans, when you don't know the thing, feel free to watch. Now, let's start with the Aki, right? So we actually got this from the market like this because, at the market they clean up the Aki for you. So this is the national fruit of Jamaica. So this is Aki, national dish Aki and saltfish. So we have a painting. We're going to show you what the Aki looks like so that you can see Aki in its natural form. So it looks like this actually with the pods and the head. There is a riddle that we have in Jamaica. If you don't remember it, post it below about Akis. Can't remember it right now. But interesting fact about Aki is that it's poisonous when it's unfit. So you have to wait until it opens up based on some research I did. And Jamaicans normally know when to pick it and how to clean it. So you normally take off the head, you clean in on the inside, and then wash, boil, and cook it up with some saltfish, and you choose what you want to add to the Aki. No, of course we have our tomatoes. Love tomatoes with Aki. Lime. You probably hear of lime water being very good for you. I personally love lime water. For those who crave like juice, lime water is personally a good replacement. So it's flavor, but it's better for you than soda, right? Of course, we have our garlic. What is a kitchen without garlic? I have to put the garlic in the thing when we cook up. And this is cucumber, shasharta one. But you should know, I think cucumber is popular in most places. And these are the plantains. One of our favorite things to eat. Plantains. Jamaicans love them plantain, ripe plantain, fry up, boil. They use the green plantain in porridge, but I prefer the green plantain fried with little salt. Yeah. We have some sweet pepper. It's really nice. I like the flavor of sweet pepper and eating it raw as well in smoothies and so forth. There's papaya. Of course, you normally peel the papaya, or some people just cut down the center, take out the seeds, and eat it like that. Alright, so take out the seeds and just use the spoon and kind of like scoop it up. And saw dew plums, and it's dew plum season. So you normally just wash the dew plum. You're gonna take off the skin. Normally that's what we do. And then you eat the inside. There's a seed in the middle, you don't eat that. The juki part, so I like to say you don't eat that. But you eat the flesh, right? I know of some people actually eating the skin if the skin looks like it could be eaten. You can also make juice. Normally use the green dew plum to make juice. Now this mango, I thought mango season was completely finished, but I found some mangoes, and this is called Keith. We have a lot of mangoes in Jamaica. So many. Too many to name all of them right now. But this one is called Keith. We love bananas. Very big on bananas. I love my bananas spotty like that. And creamy. Really nice. And of course it's orange. Orange coming in again. So you have a lot of oranges. They're a bit expensive though. So it's the time where things are a bit more expensive now. Now, for those who never seen this, you might think it's spinach. Well, not quite. But this is kalaloo. Kalulu. I think we got it from West Africa. But it's definitely somewhere in Africa. It's the same thing with the Aki. Right? And what we do is that we, strip it. Then we cut it up, wash it, steam it. Some people have it in rice, so you can have your kalaloo rice. Some people have it in soup, in pepper pot soup. So yeah, that's really good. This is the breadfruit. think I read somewhere that this could possibly end world hunger. Breadfruit. So you roast it, and you can fry it, and you can boil it. So normally you roast it on a coal stove, right? It's really yummy, really yummy. You can have this with the ackee and a side of plantains. Why not, right? This is pumpkin, really nice for soup. For pumpkin rice, you know, over the weekend we love our soups and we love our pumpkin rice, or if we're not having rice and peas. And sweet potatoes to eat, boil it, or you can make pudding, sweet potato pudding, really nice. Grandma makes the best sweet potato pudding. This is soursop, was a bit soft, but I guess you can see on the inside. We can eat it raw. This is what we eat, the inside of the fruit itself, as you can see. So wash it and take off this part, the juki part, and then you eat the white part. Some people eat the middle, which is this long, it's harder and it's long. Some people say it's really good for you. Some people don't eat it, right? So that's the soursop. What do you call it in your country? And the last thing we'll show you is the turmeric for tea. But you know, people are using turmeric in a lot of things, in smoothies. It's very good. You probably heard of turmeric being one of those wonderful magical roots, right? That helps with a lot of different ailments. So I really love it as tea. As you can see, it's take off that, wash it, take out the skin, and you can grate it and make some tea or chop it up. Some people have it in different stuff, right? So that's it. Hope you learned something. I hope you get to try some of these. And Jamaicans, I know so naga having a soup and all them stuff this weekend, lockdown weekend again. So that's it for now. Share any interesting facts that you have about these in the comments so that we can learn from each other, you know? So have a blessed evening and stay safe, and we'll chat soon.